Hi guys, I have another thrift haul for you today. If you've not been here before, I am Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15 children and we have been checking out all the thrift stores. So we went to a thrift store, a Salvation Army in New Hampshire, and it's a really nice one actually. It's in Portsmouth, I think it is. So most Salvation Armies have certain days that they have a ticketed item where that ticketed item would be like 50% off or whatever the sale. Several of the items that I got are sale items, which is lovely, but even their regular prices are not bad at all. I'll show you what I got, and then if you want, you can guess down below, and I'll tell you at the end how much I spent. So I'll just show you a little slowly all the things. So how much do you think? Share with you at the end, but I'll go through each item individually and you can see all the great things. Start over here with the games. So we got this. I just got anything that looked like it was halfway decent. This is Brain Games, and so this was on sale for $2.99. Quiddler. We used to have this a while ago. Basically, these you play a game. There's lots of ways that you can actually play this, and you use it to make words. So it's great for like phonics type skills, but it's a game. It's really fun. Quiddler is the name of that one. My daughter wanted a puzzle and she chose this one, so that was hers. This is a game. It's called Roll and Addition. Now, all these games were taped. But, and if you know me, you know I normally do not like taped games because I don't know if all the pieces are in there. But, price was only $2.99. Now, if this game was taped and it was a lot more, then I would not be purchasing that. But for $2.99, I'm okay with taped games because $3 is one thing, $10 is another thing. Okay, this one did open. My son counted the pieces for this, and this is a chest checker set. We had another one that was missing pieces, so he hasn't had it for a while, and he loves chest and checkers. So we got that, and then the last game here is Othelio. So yeah, we are going to figure out how to play that game. Just a new game. Now, I got these platters. Many of you know that I use just plain white things to serve my food on if I'm doing it quote unquote fancy, but most of my serving platters are just plain white. So that fits great in that, $1.29 each for those ones. Let's move over to, I have some books here. So my daughter, she chose this one. She thought the hieroglyphics were interesting. Are those hieroglyphics? I think they are. So she found that very interesting, so I said, yeah, go ahead and get that. My other daughter who was with me in that section, I told her she could get this. This daughter also wanted to read this. This is actually more her reading level. She is 8. No, 9. 9. She just turned 9. So she's 9. This is more her reading level, but this right here was just something that was kind of cool. And I think that it is great for your children to get things at all levels of reading, because sometimes it just builds confidence if they can read something fast or over and over to a younger sibling. She also got this here, Big Cats of the World, to find out about different types of cats. Okay, these are ones that I picked out. So I got the Field Guide to North American Trees. Now I think the paperback books were either 99 cents or 2 for $1.79. So under $1 for all the books, except for the hardcovers. And the hardcovers were, I can't remember, honestly. I think they were $2. I'd have to look at my receipt. So these have beautiful illustrations in them. Beautiful, beautiful illustrations. So thought that would be fun for the kids. I also got this Other Birds book. They've been loving the other ones. So it'd be nice if they have 2 of them, if they're both looking for different birds. So 2 of them. This is more in depth. The other one has like less birds in it, but it shows like broader pictures for younger. This would be for a little bit older, which is wonderful. That's something that we were needing. This right here is going to go with our rocks and minerals study. Lovely pictures here. That will go with the rocks and minerals study. We're also doing something, I got this one just for my very beginner reader because they are fun to read when you have a beginner reader. We have an ocean study coming up, so this would be fun just to read out loud. This is just a fun book. This would be something that we might not read this out loud, that one of my daughters who's like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, something like that, they would read this book here. Even up to 16, they might read this. Nubble Light, this is in York. So this is telling all about Nubble Light. We will be going here at some point, so I thought that it would be, we went here years ago, it would be interesting to have the history before we actually went. And then I just was looking for some new recipes that were quick, easy, and healthy. So I got this book. It looked like it had a lot of recipes in here. I just needed some new ideas. You know, you need some inspiration. Actually, we're coming on salad season, and I was thinking I would love some new salad ideas. So for 99 cents, it's a lot easier just to I like real books sometimes, just to flip through a real book. I saw this one too, The Mary Celeste, an Unsolved Mystery from History. And I like this author here, Jane Yolen. So we can read this one out loud. It's fairly wordy for a picture book. So this will be something that we would read aloud or read tidbits of this aloud over a night or over a few nights. So I'm always looking for sports equipment at thrift stores. So this is just 2 tennis rackets. We have balls. This was $1.99 for both. So $1 a piece, and these are a lot better. These are a lot sturdier than something that you'd buy for, at a discount store or whatever. I got this basket. Now, this basket has its issues, as you can tell in the back here. I'm okay with that for right now because I am just going to use this to put toys in. So I don't need it to look beautiful. It can look like this, and I'm okay with that. I'm either going to put toys in it or I'm going to use it in my mudroom. I'm not quite sure, but either way, it can be like that for right now. All right, let's talk about some clothes. My daughter offered to hold things up for me. So we got some pants for Azariah. Those were green. So $1. All the greens were 99 cents. And then all the blues are half off the price. So 99 cents. The blue, so this was $1.99, so that would have been 99 cents. This is $2.89, so this would be half of that. It's like $1.45 or so. 99 cents. 99 cents again. This is a cute little outfit here. It's a little dinosaur with the dinosaur hat on top. Oh my goodness. And this is 99 cents. And then last one for, that's not Azariah. That was the last one for Azariah. That was his small pile. This is for my 3-year-old now. These were 99 cents. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys. I was looking for a sweater because none of my sweaters came down. I was looking for a sweater to wear when I was dressed more because I'm usually wearing just like hooded sweatshirts. But if I was dressed to like go to church or something, then I would have a sweater that wasn't like just ratty tatty, right? Like a lot of my sweatshirts are just like throw it on and, let's go hiking. So I was looking for something a little bit nicer. So I looked for a sweater. I'll show you what I got. This sweater is totally me. I love sweaters like this. They're just like loose and comfortable. And yeah, so this is totally my type of sweater. And the sweaters were, I think, $4.29. So this one from the Loft, I think this looks a lot more fancier. This is so soft, you guys. It is like, it looks like it's gonna be rough, and it is so soft. It's gorgeous. So I thought I could wear this over like a dress. Would be really nice for church. Oh, maybe I did get that many. Okay. So this one I got because this again looks like me and it looks like comfy. So oh, that's the tag. This was only 99 cents. So I was just like, okay, no, half off. So I've been $2.15 for that one. So yeah, I was just like, that looks cozy too. I mean, it's the end of season, but next year I'll be using all these anyway. So yeah. Can you find that last one? The blue one. It's like navy blue. Okay, found it. So this was the other one, mainly because it's darker and it would go with, I have a couple blue outfits, and I think that would go with that. So this is actually Gap. I know some people, they're like, they love labels. You can get really good stuff. Loft, Gap, you know. Anyway, I thought that's just a basic cardigan that I could wear for light weather. Then I got this one for my daughter. Was that half off? Okay, so that was half off of $366. So like $190 or something like that. Another half off, $329. $399, another half off. Half off again, that's $349. 99 cents, you guys. So this would be a little bit big for my daughter, but that's gonna get put away for next year because it's long sleeves. But 99 cents, yes. Same with this one here. I loved this one. I do not know why. This is, yes, that's the brand there. And so that was 99 cents. I love the little moose on it. And then my son got this one. This was 99 cents. So this was half off. This will be for next year as well. A nice little dress. And then this is for the daughter who's holding it. Isn't it gonna be so beautiful on her? She picked that one out. That one's nice with a nice little white tee or something underneath it. It's gonna be really pretty. This one is going to be for my other daughter. I saw this and I was like, this is really just you. This is like your style and whatever. And she's like, I don't know about pink, but then she tried it on. It was so cute on her, so cute.
It's half off.
And that was half off. And then I tried this one on. I didn't think it was gonna fit me because it's a large. And I'm usually like an extra large. I like things baggy, but the way that it fits, it actually fits me. So it's like a nice church dress. This is so cute. This will be for next year. It's like a little wool, like jumper skirt. So cute. Aw, I can't wait to see a little 3-year-old in that next year. So this is the other thing I got for myself. This is just like cozy, comfy, put a t-shirt underneath that or wear that over like a bathing suit. Yeah, if we're gonna be on the beach a lot, I'm gonna be wearing lots of stuff like that. Skirt, I don't know who that's for. Cute skirt. So here's yeah, flannel.
This is 99 cents.
99 cents. You guys adding it all up? Another 99.
Another 99 cents.
Another 99 cent. Just wait, because I got two bigger purchase items too at the end.
99 cents.
99 cents. Another 99 cents. So how much do you think I spent? $150. Hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.